Okay, so what we're installing is a MaxxFan. It's a manual opening. You know, a lot of you guys see this in your Sprinter vans, commercial vans, things like that. It's a model 4401K for King. Now, we're going to be installing it in this beast over here for a customer of mine. Now, the opening is already cut out. It's actually been cut out for an AC unit. So the top is clean. So I'm going to show you how to install it the right way, quick and fast. All right, so let's start with the main head unit that goes on top, because that's the first thing you got to do. Okay, so I put down this tape, this sealant tape here. Comes in a strip like this. This is really great stuff. I don't know the exact name of it other than it just says sealant tape on there. But it didn't come with this, so make sure when you order these fans that you order everything that you need. So I went ahead and ordered this, and then also silicone, which also in the instruction book doesn't tell you, but you need to get it on your own. So I already put 2 of these down. So basically what you want to do is you want to get it right across here, covering the hose all the way down. All right, so I'm gonna put this on and that on and kind of show you what it looks like, because it's gonna look like this. You know, it looks a little sloppy, but it's going on the roof and it makes a tight seal and nobody's gonna look at it, so don't even worry about it. So let me knock this out for you. Okay, so this is the opening on top of the truck. As you can see, it's all cleaned off, stainless steel. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna do another wipe down here, and then we're gonna set this in place. So all you gotta do, make sure it's a 14-inch by 14-inch opening, and we're gonna plop this down. Okay, so now when it's done, you want to use silicone and put it all over the area. Okay, and that's pretty much it. This is self-leveling silicone. You want to put it on all the screws, clean it through, but also when you're always up on the top of your vehicle, you always want to look at the other vent if you do have another one. So I'm going to go ahead and silicone that one up there, just as a maintenance thing. But make sure you remove everything up here. The hinges has to face the back, and the opening towards the front. I really think it needs to be the other way around, but the company insists it to be installed that way, so we'll go ahead and do that. All right, let me go put silicone on that one, and then we'll go underneath and finish installing this. All right, let's check it out. So here's the fan. It's already running. Outside of the camera view, I actually tied into the power that was already here. I just tied into the power, and we're good. I checked everything, make sure it's all nice and running. What I did was I went ahead and took the housing here and measured it, and now I'm just gonna pop this up and finish it off. All right, there you have it. We're pretty much done. Everything is all set, good to go. You can lower the little vent trap up here. It also has a rain sensor, all that stuff. And look at that, I just turned it off, let it finish rotating off. It's almost there, come on. But that's pretty much it. So the biggest thing was mounting it on the roof side, and that's what I wanted to show you. I didn't want to worry about too much about the wiring part. The biggest thing was getting that nice tight seal up above. Make sure you silicone those screws, make sure it's siliconed all around. If you want, let it dry, come back a few days later and make sure that you didn't get any bubbles or any cracks that seep through. The silicone that I used was like kind of self-leveling silicone, so it does make its way down and seeps through and seals everything up. Other than that, I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.